Hey guys, it's Brian. I have the DenTek Professional Oral Care Kit. It has some claims here. I'll let you take a look at those, but it is dishwasher safe, which is really cool. I've just kind of washed them off with soap and water, but this has really come in handy for getting buildup off my teeth. It comes with a mirror here, so obviously if you've been to the dentist office, you can use this. I use this with one hand while I put this in my mouth, and then I use the special tools here. Now look at the ends of these tools. You can kind of see here, that's kind of like a gum stimulator, I believe. This is the plastic tool here. So they say you can use this daily to get buildup off your teeth. And this is another tool here. It looks like this can get in between the teeth and maybe at the base of the gums where you're not going to hurt yourself. Now these are the metal tools here. You just have to be cautious with these because you can see how sharp that is. That's very sharp there. And then this one is more broad, but still you could do a little bit of damage with that one. This is good. I've been using this to get, if you get buildup, on the back of your teeth, if you have yellow buildup back there, you're brushing and it's not getting all of it off. Sometimes these are like the tools that basically you go to a dentist and they're similar to those tools. So you can kind of go back there with the assistance of the mirror and just kind of slowly start at the gum line and kind of work your way up with this. And I've been doing that, as needed. And it's really good value here for what you get.